Hey, Mikey here, founder of the 12-week AI Mastery course. And my mission is to help 1 million people master AI agents so that they don't master you. If you could only run one AI agent in your business, just one, to save time, make money, and actually grow without working harder, this is the one. No, it's not some chat GPT clone, not another AI image generator, and definitely not a dancing avatar. This AI agent does one thing. It captures every single lead and turns them into money. Here's the deal. Leads go cold in minutes. Most businesses wait hours, some wait days, some just forget. Sound familiar? You spend money driving traffic. You hustle to get attention. You finally get someone to raise their hand. And then what? Nothing. Crickets, missed sales because you were busy, because you didn't see the email, because no one followed up. This AI agent fixes all of that. It captures every form submission, every Calendly booking, every order, every DM, every sign up. Then it logs the lead, notifies your team, and sends a personalized email or text to the lead automatically, immediately. Every single time one business used this agent to boost call bookings by 15% overnight. Another saved 10 hours a week in manual work. Another built a 6-figure side hustle just by never missing a lead. And you could start seeing results today. You can set this up in under an hour. No code, no subscription software. Just a free tool called n8n and a blueprint that already works. Want the template? I'll send it to you. Want it built for you? Done. Either way, if you're only going to run one AI agent, make it the one that brings in more business, the one that never sleeps, the one that follows up instantly forever, because speed closes deals. And this AI agent is lightning. You've heard of AI, you've played with ChatGPT, but that's not the game anymore. Because right now, there's a new breed of AI taking over the internet. And they don't chat, they do. They build, they post, they follow up, they book calls, they close deals. They're called AI agents, and they're replacing thousands of hours of human work without anyone noticing. In this session, I'm going to show you the 5 AI agents you should be building right now. Even if you've never coded a line in your life, even if you don't know what automation really means, even if you're brand new to all this, because the truth is, you're already behind. But the good news, you're only one agent away from getting ahead. Let's talk about why this matters now. We've entered the age of delegation without employees. 80% of online work is repetitive. Posting content, following up with leads, sending emails, scheduling appointments. Guess what? That's exactly what AI agents were born to do. And unlike human teams, they never sleep, they never forget, they don't ask for raises, they don't ghost on Monday morning, they just execute 24/7 flawlessly. We're not just using AI, we're replacing roles with it in a way that feels like cheating, but it's not. It's leverage, and this leverage is available to everyone, including you. You don't need to learn Python. You don't need to hire a $5,000 per month dev. You just need to understand this. Every AI agent is made of 3 simple parts: trigger, logic, task. That's it. Trigger, what starts it? Logic, what decision does it make? Task, what does it do? Let me show you how that works in real life. Trigger, a lead clicks your ad. Logic, if they visited twice but haven't booked. Task, send them a message that says, still thinking about it? Here's what most people ask before booking. Boom, that's an agent. You just replaced a sales assistant and it works 24/7. Now let's build another. Trigger, you upload a new YouTube video. Logic, is the video over 5 minutes? Task, summarize the video. Post a short version to TikTok. Schedule a tweet thread. Email the list. Boom again. You just replaced a content team. That's the beauty of agents. They're like digital employees, except they don't get tired. They don't make excuses. They don't slack off. They just deliver. Now let's go deeper. Here are the 5 AI agents you should build now. Not next year, not next month. Now, 1. The lead catcher, it watches your forms, your DMS, your comments, replies instantly, asks qualifying questions, books appointments. It's your AI receptionist minus the paycheck. 2. The content cloner takes one video, turns it into 12 pieces of content, summarizes it, captions it, posts it, schedules it. No more, I don't have time to post. It posts for you, daily, relentlessly. 3, the follow up finisher people ghost. This agent doesn't care. It follows up with polite persistence. Email, SMS, even voice notes, closes the loop automatically, turns I'll think about it into I just booked. 4, the cold outreach. Closer scrapes leads, sends value first emails, personalized intros, smart follow ups, fills your calendar while you sleep. 5, the buyer's journey concierge. It watches everything site visits, link clicks, page views, then nurtures with perfectly timed value. Content, trust, purchase. That's the journey. And your agent walks it for them. You don't need to build all 5 today. But if you don't start with one, you'll be replaced by someone who did. Now, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Most people won't build this. They'll get inspired, take notes, then go back to doing things the hard way. Why? Because they overthink it. They want it perfect. They wait too long. They drown in decisions. They get stuck in setup mode, while others get rich in build mode. But not you. Because here's the new mindset: build one agent. Save 10 minutes a day, then stack another and another until your entire day is automated, predictable, peaceful, profitable. You're no longer working the system, you've become the architect. So if this makes sense to you, if you can feel what's possible, then I want to invite you to go all in. It's called the 12-week AI Agent Mastery. And we build this together live each week, one new agent, each session, one layer deeper. By the end, you'll have a system that grows your business without needing you. Here, you'll get lifetime access templates. You can copy paste tools I personally use, a private support group, one on one strategy call with me. This isn't theory, this is implementation. You will build, you will launch, you will win. Because this isn't about AI replacing you, it's about you using AI to replace the parts of your day that slow you down. You don't need a team. You don't need funding. You just need to decide to say yes to becoming a builder. So here's the final word: you can build the system or stay stuck inside the system. You can watch the future happen or automate it on your terms. One agent can change your business. One system can change your life. Click the button. Enroll now. Let's build the machine before the machine builds you.